Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Sujitra Rajkumari. First, the headlines. Democracy failing due to wrongdoings of representatives and people who elect them, asserts former UNLF chairman Ningthimcha Sanayaima. And Makhan Kanglatongbi Naga Forum demands immediate dismantling of cookie training centers and zoo camps in Naga inhabited areas. And now the news in detail. Former chairman of United National Liberation Front, UNLF, R.K. Sanayaima, has attributed the cause of dwindling democracy in the state to widespread involvement of voters in unfair practices. He was speaking at the inaugural function of the patriotic poem recitation competition organized by its organizing committee at KYC Community Hall, Kakwa Laisham, Selungbalaikai today. The function was attended by Patriots Day Observance Committee, Manipur President L. Chandrakumar, Vice President Waikhom Amuchau, Sahitya Academy Awardee Thokchom Ibo Hanbi, Dhanamanjuri University Associate Professor Dr. Longjam Saratchandra, and N. Tomchau Higher Secondary Retired Principal K. Gangarani as the dignitaries and jury members. Speaking further, Sanayaima maintained that voters often ignore the crucial importance of electing qualified candidates and are driven by shallow thinking induced by short-term opportunities. While emphasizing that MLAs are meant not to work solely for their respective constituencies, but to engage in public affairs related to society, the former chairman of UNLF stated that democracy seems to have little value in Manipur and India. He suggested that the united voice and efforts of the public can revitalize the values of democracy. Sanayaima also opined that conducting a census without removing the illegal immigrants in the state would bring many detrimental effects.
Democracy failure is very more responsible. Voters they are responsible for responsible. But I think you target for the influence my constituency Manipur democratic leaders, democracy electoral leaders, democracy labor system says democratic function don't space to later question to Manipur democracy says chapsula proud. Other film simply the car democracy subsulakwa democracy whatever resist of democratic voice of forever. Other two of democracy say a single democracy.
Meanwhile, Patriots Day Observance Committee Manipur Vice President Waikhom Amuchau informed that the patriotic poem recitation competition was organized with the aim of exploring the patriotic feelings among young students. He also underlined the importance of inculcating the true patriotic spirit of the forefathers in the youngsters, adding that students from various schools will compete in 3 categories in the competition.
Sadhana Singa, like them the Masada Yawiba, extraordinary skills in a do, Puduk Nabagi, Menu in a Tanzasi, Piven. Masida Padi Mapuina, Manipugi, Laipak Amada, Laipak Nakoda, Madame the Elements in Guna, Lowiba, Podang Singadu, Sakang Boina, Laipak Ning the Yumpam Wiba, saying Sadanabagi, my comedy Sinazapuna, Sinza Lanjavan. I Kogi Hanagi, Laipak the Mugat Haupuram by Paipu Singuna, Laipak Nakamiba. Mayam Dubu, Sairengi form the environment, the Masagi, Waku environment, Lairagadi, Lepaki, the Mata, Visual Pakatope, Lapa, Hena Tona Leba, Lepaki, the Mutomba, Wakul Mayamdu, Pudong of the basic foundation, Maru, the Nipan of the
Makhan Kanglatongbi Naga Forum MKNF has announced its full support for the Bandh called by Foothills Naga Coordinating Committee (FNCC), opposing movement of Kukis through Naga inhabited areas. In a press statement issued, MKNF expressed concern over negative impacts faced by Naga senior citizens and asserted that it stands by the 3-point demands of FNCC. The forum alleged that the proposed Tiger Road, backed by Kuki groups, is part of deliberate attempt to manipulate the territorial identity of the Nagas. MKNF strongly opposed the presence of suspension of Operation Sioux camps and Kuki training centers in Naga inhabited regions, terming them illegal and threat to peaceful coexistence. It demanded immediate dismantling of all Sioux camps situated in Naga areas. The forum also raised alarm over widespread cultivation of poppy plants, claiming it threatens the socio-environmental fabric of indigenous communities. Calling the protection of Naga territories, MKNF demanded that encroachment and unauthorized road construction be stopped immediately. It specifically objected to the construction of new Sioux camps from Haplong to Imphal along the national highway, warning that such developments could trigger future conflicts. As part of the ongoing operations to maintain peace and security in vulnerable and fringe areas, security forces conducted search operation at Lamzang village under Churachandpur police station in Churachandpur district and recovered large cache of arms and ammunitions and tactical equipments. The seized items include one .303 rifle with one empty magazine, one country-made .32 pistol with one empty magazine, one country-made single-barrel rifle, 2 improvised mortars pumpies, 1 improvised rocket bomb, 10 improvised rounds of mortars pumpies, 3 improvised hand grenades, 21 tear smoke shells, 4 38mm anti-riot rubber bullets, 2 bulletproof plates, 6 tactical vests, 5 cartridge belts of 12 bore, 4 Baofeng wireless sets, 6 wireless chargers, 3 Baofeng wireless earpieces, and 1 pistol pouch. In a continued crackdown against unlawful organizations in the state, security forces arrested 4 members of 4 banned groups from different locations. According to police, an active cadre of UPPK identified as Yumnam Prem Maitei alias Thawai alias Ibungo, 23 years of age, was arrested by a team of Manipur police from Kanglapat near GM Hall yesterday. The individual was from Langmaidong Laimanai Naya Kaithel under Waikong Police Station in Kakching District. Police also stated that an active cadre of Pripak identified as Mayanglangbam Sundar alias Leiba, 38 years of age, of Saijang Awang Laikai under Lamlai Police Station in Imphal East, was arrested from his locality yesterday. Meanwhile, security forces arrested an active cadre of RPF identified as Mutum Norin, 33 years of age, of Nongren Mamang Laikai in Imphal East, from Napet Khul yesterday. Additionally, an active cadre of KCP PWG identified as Nanoa alias Boboy, 43 years of age, of Langkong Khul in None district, was arrested near the Polo Ground parking Imphal on July 18. The arrested individuals have been handed over to the concerned police stations for further necessary legal actions. Now, installation ceremony for the new members of the Lions Club of Imphal Global under Lions International District 322D was held at Marjing Cafe in the Marjing Polo Complex, Haingang, Imphal East yesterday. During the event, attendees offered prayers for the return of peace and normalcy in Manipur. The introduction of new members and the taking of oaths were the main highlights of the program. And it is now time for a short break. We'll be right back.
Chahini Fuhena, Babina, Haibamaming Asina, Anala Yengilamda, Tazaba, quality labor amadi, Jackson Honabagi Kudam, Oiduna Lakli.
Diagnostic Tagi Horaga, multi speciality hospital amadi, cancer care for Babina na Mangzil Taduna Laki.
Haujigamuk, Makata na Changsilatuna, Mayami Mafam the Kudol Tamjari, Babina Institute of Nursing, Manipur Nursing Council Nasu, recognized Tauraba.
Matam Gachunarba Classroom, Advanced Left Sing Lasery.
Babina Multi Specialty Hospital Amadi, AOI Babina Specialty Hospital da, clinical training from Bio.
Expert faculty, Nupam Sumupigito Haiba Hostel, Sel Yamna Chandana.
Babina Hospital Amadi Kongu Eba Institute Sing the Tabak Tawagi Kudong Java Supizari.
Hauzik admission Hosare, Suknatagi Sit Nipu Kaktani, Ahan Balakbada, Kudung Saba Pijagani.
Babina Institute of Nursing, Nurturing Care, Inspiring Growth.
Saziwa Zel Road, Kabay Soy, Imphal East.
And welcome back. Like-minded group LMG Manipur provided financial assistance of 20,000 rupees to Thingujam Suresh alias Dhop of Naharup Awang Lekai. Suresh is currently struggling with the dysfunction of both of his kidneys. He was also recently treated at a hospital in Guwahati for a lung ailment. According to a statement issued by LMG Manipur Publicity Secretary Rakesh Naurem, the financial assistance was given as a gesture of humanity and support to help alleviate the patient's financial burden. Ex-Chief Minister N. Biren mourned the loss of renowned socio-political commentator Potsangbam Sonamani. He visited the residence of Sonamani at Thangmai Band and shared his condolences on his demise, while also expressing solidarity with the bereaved family. The ex-chief minister also shared condolences on his social media handling, stating that Sonamani's wisdom, integrity, and commitment to societal progress will always be remembered. Continuing that his passing is a profound loss, not only to his family, but to the entire state and country, Biren prayed for the peaceful rest of the soul while extending solidarity to the bereaved family. Peace and Humanity Labor Youth's Organization PHLYO Thangmai Band has expressed condolences on the passing of retired IPS officer Potsangbam Sonamani. In a press release, PHLYO acknowledged Sonamani's contributions as a social worker and socio-political commentator for highlighting various issues affecting the state to its people. The local club conveyed deep sorrow on his loss, noting that its president, vice president, secretary members, and ex-members observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. It also extended its solidarity to the bereaved family. Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, has expressed condolences on the passing of retired IPS officer Potsangbam Sonamani. In a press release issued by its IPR subcommittee convener Laikhuram Jayanta, COCOMI stated that Sonamani did many commendable jobs for Manipur while serving as a police officer in Nagaland. He also made significant contributions to society by shedding light on several issues in the state as a socio-political commentator. The CSO group noted that Sonamani's passing is a huge loss for the state. They also prayed for his peaceful rest and extended solidarity to the bereaved family. And now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Democracy falling due to wrongdoings of representatives and people who elect them, asserts former UNLF chairman Ningphimja Sanayayma. And Makhan Kanglatongbi Naga Forum demands immediate dismantling of cookie training centers and Sioux camps in Naga inhabited areas. That is all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.